Congratulations. You just traded another 40 hours of your finite existence for a piece of paper that barely covers the cost of the gas you used to get to the office. You aren't a valued employee, honey. You are just a line item on a spreadsheet, a little number in a cell that your boss is desperately trying to minimize. Welcome to the modern slave contract, also known as your 9 to 5. The system is brilliant. They pay you just enough to survive, but never enough to escape. Then, they surround you with ads for cars you don't need and houses you can't afford. So you stay locked in the cycle. It's like a hamster wheel, but instead of a hamster, it's you, wearing a cheap suit and drinking lukewarm coffee. You're like Peter when he joined that cult because they had free muffins. Except your muffins are a 401k that you can't touch until you're too old to even remember where you put your teeth. And let's talk about that promotion you're chasing. You think a 5% raise is going to change your life? No. It just means you'll be the one staying until 8 p.m. while your CEO is on a yacht, probably laughing at the fact that you think you're climbing the ladder. That ladder is leaning against a wall that's designed to keep you out. They want you tired. They want you exhausted. Because a tired person doesn't have the energy to build their own empire. They only have enough energy to watch Netflix and order takeout, further draining the little money they actually managed to save. The only way out is to stop buying your freedom back. One latte at a time. Buy assets, not toys. Wealthy people don't work for money. They make their money work until it's absolutely exhausted. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And trust me, the company won't even put a flower on your grave. They'll have your job opening posted on LinkedIn before your family even picks out a casket. So, are you a lifer, or are you planning your escape? Tell me your exit strategy in the comments. I want to know, do you actually have a plan? Or are you just waiting for the weekend like a prisoner waiting for yard time? And if you're tired of being a corporate zombie, hit that like button and subscribe. Or don't, and keep making your CEO's kids rich. Your choice. See you in the next one.